Not Ambridge, but Beaminster Scarecrow competition. How to make a scarecrow. First, take a piece of branch, add a turnip, add a jacket, pair of trousers, one boot, a second boot. You could put some eyes on the turnip. There's one. There's another. Now you need some hands. Twigs would be good, and string to tie them on. So tie up the legs, hands, and waist. These are supposed to be scarecrows, but they don't seem to scare the crows. You almost think he was feeding them. You can see that these scarecrows are made of all sorts of things. This is a dog scarer. Oh, a dog scarecrow. These scarecrows were put all around the town of Beaminster. I suppose it's a bit like Ambridge. Only a bit bigger. This is the museum scarecrow. It's wearing a mask. Thank you for watching Not Ambridge but Beaminster Scarecrows. Do please subscribe or make a comment, or both. I'm Jack Barnett, 21. The end.